Ever wondered how masters become masters? Is it a lifetime of dedication, or could it be something else? Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we unlock the secret of skill acquisition, the concept of 20 hours to mastery. Imagine in a world that is constantly changing, you have the power to master any skill you desire. Not in years, not in months, but in a mere 20 hours. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But what if it's true? Let's embark on an adventure, unraveling a mystery that has been hiding in plain sight. The theory behind 20 hours to mastery is based on an age-old principle. It's not about the quantity of time you invest, it's about the quality. Picture a novice pianist sitting at a keyboard for the first time. The keys are foreign, the music sheets might as well be in another language. But as time passes, notes become melodies, melodies become songs. Progress is not only seen, it's heard. And all it takes is 20 focused, dedicated hours. This 20-hour concept is not just about learning a musical instrument. It's about any and every skill you could imagine. From learning a new language to mastering the art of cooking, from coding to knitting, the possibilities are endless. So what's the secret behind these 20 hours? It's simple. Break down the skill, set clear, achievable goals, and remove any barriers that might disrupt your focus. Dedicate at least 45 minutes every day, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to mastery. The beauty of this concept is in its simplicity. It's a testament to the human capacity for learning and growth. It challenges the notion that mastery requires a lifetime of dedication and posits a much more liberating thought, that with the right approach, mastering a new skill is within anyone's reach. Consider this. Instead of spending countless hours mindlessly scrolling through social media, you could be 20 hours away from playing your favorite song on the piano, or speaking in a new language, or even whipping up a gourmet meal for your loved ones. The journey to mastery is not an easy one. It requires commitment, focus, and patience. But remember, every master was once a beginner. So, why not start your journey today? Choose a skill you've always wanted to learn. Commit to spending 20 quality hours on it and witness the transformation unfold. Remember, it's not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. So here's a challenge. Pick a skill, any skill, and dedicate 20 hours to learning it. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. In the grand scheme of things, 20 hours is but a blink of an eye. Yet within that blink lies the power to transform, to grow, and to master. It's time to unlock your potential. It's time to master the art of learning. It's time to take the 20-hour journey to mastery. The clock starts now.